Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to determine if the Prequel app is a legit editing tool or just another expensive subscription trap. This app has become famous for its aesthetic filters and AI-powered effects, but with a high price tag and some common user complaints, you need to know the facts before you start a free trial. The first thing to understand is that Prequel is a legit, high quality photo and video editor that is widely used by influencers and content creators. It features over 800 unique filters and effects like VHS, disco, and Y2K, which are often of much higher quality than what you'd find in a standard free apps. Its standout features include a 3D tool that creates moving three-dimensional images and advanced AI tools that can transform your selfies into digital art. If you are looking for professional-grade aesthetic presets and unique textures to make your social media content stand out, Prequel is a legit and powerful tool. Another point to consider is the app's performance and privacy. While the effects looks amazing and they are very resource heavy, many users with older phones have reported that the app takes a long time to load filters and can frequently crash during the export process. In terms of privacy, some tech experts have raised concern about the app's data collection, as its terms of use state that by uploading photos you are waiving certain rights to your content. While this is common, many AI-powered apps, it is a significant factor to weigh in.